The tool we're using is called Genspark AI. This is not just another AI tool. It works more like an all-in-one system. Instead of switching between apps, you can create content, write scripts, design products, build websites, and even automate tasks all in one place. A lot of people are already using Genspark AI to build simple businesses and make their first money online. And again, it's free to start, no upfront cost. You can test ideas, experiment, and build real projects without risking a dollar. One of the easiest ways to earn your first dollars online is by creating content. Content builds attention, and attention can turn into income. This is where Genspark comes in. You could start a faceless YouTube channel, create a podcast, or even write a blog. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to record yourself. Genspark does most of the work for you. Isn't that cool? The first step is choosing your niche. Many beginners get stuck here because they don't know what to focus on. Instead of guessing, you can ask Genspark for ideas that people are actually interested in. It will analyze data, search the web, and give you topics that people are already looking for. This makes it easier to create content that gets attention. But this part is really important. Don't just choose something because you like it. Make sure it's a niche where people are spending time and money. The goal is not just to create content, it's to build something that can turn into solid income every month. If you struggle to decide on a niche, I would recommend watching my video about top niches in 2026. Once you pick your niche, you can ask Genspark AI to create a full script, outline, or even a podcast episode. You can tell it the format, style, or tone. It will research the topic, write the content, and even generate audio. In minutes, you have a complete episode ready to go. If you are starting from zero, keep it simple. Focus on one topic, one platform, and one type of content. For example, ways to make money online with AI tools. This helps you stay consistent and not get overwhelmed. For beginners, this is huge because it removes a lot of the stress of starting a side hustle. You can focus on building, not figuring out every step from scratch. You don't need to get everything right. You just need to start. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Another way to start making money online is by creating digital products. This is one of the easiest ways to build passive income. You create something once and you can sell it over and over. With Genspark AI, you can create books, guides, planners, or even coloring books for kids. You just describe what you want. For example, create a 24-page coloring book for kids with animal illustrations. It will generate each page in high-quality design, including captions if you want. The final product looks professional, and you didn't have to draw anything yourself. Then you can export it, upload it to Amazon KDP, and start selling it. Amazon handles everything, and you don't pay anything up front. Let's say your book sells for $10, and you get 5 sales a day. That might not sound like a lot at first, but over time it adds up. And the best part is, you created it once. This can be your first passive income stream, something that will keep earning even after the work is done. Now you can create more books or try something different. The possibilities with Genspark AI are endless. You can even build your own website. Many people think creating a website is complicated or expensive, but it's not. You just describe what you want. For example, a landing page for your digital product with a title, description, image, and buy button. Genspark builds it for you automatically. This makes it so much easier to show your products and start selling right away. If you want to keep it simple, you don't even need a full website at the start. You can begin with one product and one page. Here's another tip. If you want to make your content or products more discoverable, you can ask Genspark for keywords or SEO ideas for YouTube, Amazon, or TikTok. This helps more people find your content, which increases your chances of making money online. You can even ask it to write titles, captions, and hooks that grab attention in the first few seconds. Even if you have never done this before, Genspark walks you through it. You can start with one small project, see how it works, and build from there. Over time, these small steps can turn into a real side hustle, or even a full online business. The key is to take action and stay consistent. If I was starting from zero, I would pick one niche, create one piece of content, and one simple product, and focus on that for the next 30 days. That alone can teach you more than months of just watching videos. Imagine if you started with just one podcast episode, one coloring book, or one small product today. You could see it live online and ready for people to buy in hours. That's powerful, especially for beginners who don't have a big budget or a team. You can experiment, test ideas, and grow at your own pace. You don't have to pay for software or complicated tools. Everything you need to get started is inside this free platform. Remember this, starting a side hustle and building passive income doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to know everything. You just need the right tool that simplifies the process. You can start using Genspark AI today. The link is in the description. Try it out while it's still free and see what you can create in your first hour. You might be surprised how fast you can actually get started. If you want more tips on specific AI tools and ways to make money online, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.